ever done something so stupid that you literally could have redefined the word? My father always said that stupid should hurt, and I can tell you from personal experience that it is completely true. You see, back in the days of like high school, my parents decided to ship me off to a church camp with a new church with people I did not know, and I don't really get along with people sometimes, most of the time. I did not get along with a lot of these girls. I got along with a couple from my church. There was a bunch of churches together and just females that are 16 and older. Why in the world would you ever put them all in one room? People just really don't get it. I made this new friend. I can't remember his name because that's how impactful he was on my life. He decided that, you know, one day when we were walking back to the cabin that we were going to scare the living crap out of these girls. And he goes, oh hey, I have this idea, come on, let's go. And so when we were walking back to the cabins, mind you, these really aren't cabins, they're more like army barracks. We were up on this like ridge, this tiny little ridge on this really steep hill behind them. And we're just like, yes. He tells me that the plan is we are going to run down this hill, leap into the windows. I didn't really think through the part about the window, but I figured, hey, if I can't make it through there because I'm so freaking short, I can at least bang on the window or the windowsills or lean my head in and scream at them or something. He just takes off, and literally takes off down this hill, and then I jump up. I get to the bottom of this hill, and I realize he failed to tell me that there was a clothesline at the bottom of this hill. That's right, I got clotheslined by a clothesline. You see, as I entered this graceful moment of hitting flat land again, my head on my shoulders just stopped, literally stopped, and the rest of my body kept moving forward. And before I knew it, I was flat on my back in mud with a bleeding face. Bleeding mouth, to be correct. It hit me right in the freaking face. And my lips ended up swelling up and it was freaking nasty. As I slowly sort of realized there in my stunned state, gazing up at the beautiful moonless sky, I realized I had done the stupidest thing. I mean, who in the world gets clotheslined by a clothesline? I should have won an award for being so stupid. How did I not see that? I mean, it was literally right in front of me. He had taken off running, and so I awkwardly like get up and I look around to make sure nobody actually saw me do that, and I got to my feet and I shook the mud off my pants as best as I could. Could have like sunk in that mud. I continued. I walked around to the front of the place we were staying and I opened the door and dead silence. And they all looked at me with like really big saucery eyes. Oh my god, she's covered in blood. A couple of them probably thought I murdered somebody or ate the hearts of my, like, you know, enemies or something. I don't really know. It was weird. This one adult jumped up and she was really cool. She's just like, oh, let me fix that, and wiped it off of me all motherly style. And I remember just thinking, well, that's a story. And the next morning, I literally had like really puffy lips and I had like marks that got scraped along the sides of my cheeks. And I actually still have scars in the corner of my mouth from the whole incident. I guess you could say, lesson learned, when you're going to prank somebody, watch out for clotheslines.